Nakababa na lahat-lahat. Nakalimutan ko yung card. Yung Medicard nakalimutan ko. Papunta kami sa appointment sa mata ni Dongsu, and kailangan na kasi matatapos na yung kanyang Medicard, so we need to hurry para at least pagka natapos yung card niya, tapos na yung problema niya sa mata. No, it's hot. Be careful. Ayan, palabas na po kami. What did you say? Huh?
A few moments later.
Nakababa na lahat-lahat. Nakalimutan ko yung card. Yung Medicard nakalimutan ko. Now the card is there. It's okay. Nakakapalas. Ang daming hagdan. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Kung hindi ka pumayat dito, iba talaga pag-apartment. Nasanay ka sa condo na may elevator. Sobrang hingal. Diba? Social distancing, bebe. Yes, new life, new normal. This is the new normal. The taxi can normal life. Yung taxi ko naka-plastic. Ayan. Lahat dapat naka-mask. Kailangan na natin tanggapin ang new normal. Now we are going to appointment for my son lazy eye. He had a lazy eye and we need to hurry because the Medicard health card free for my husband company before, and then after closing the Medicard is already extended, so until October. So we need to hurry because I want to treat my son eye before the expiration of the card. So guys, this is it. Going to optometric consultation for the accredited of a Medicard. I hope you enjoy and be with me. This is Pasig. As of a moment, the kids not allowed on the inside any kind of establishment, but if you have appointment and you allowed to going inside with the kid. Yes, so you need to correct that. You need to correct that. Okay? Mali tayo, kuya? Okay. Yes. That is the new normal taxi. They have a plastic cover to protect the driver, and a little hot because the aircon is it's closed, but it's okay. Yeah. There's a lot of establishments not open it until now. Even the Manila is a modified enhanced quarantine. So, but the other establishment is not open. Happy you have glass. You become bipogi. It's okay. Oh, mama is here. Okay. Ang bigat. It's heavy. Okay. You just see, you just look, you just look. More. Stay. Wow. What did you see, the balloon? Okay. Do not move now.
Hey, the other eye. See the other eye?
Look at the balloon lang. Open your eye.
Ito na yung Next one. Okay. Okay, very good.
Okay, start.
It's okay.
Start again.
Okay, very good. Okay.
You can read? You can read? Put on your nose.
Okay, game na ha.
Ayan, oh.
Pwede ka naman mag-sit eh. You can sit only that. Just look at the light. Okay, we're done. It's cold? No, it's not healthy. It's just your imagination lang.
It's cold, it's cold.
Tell kuya. It's already done with the drops. Okay,
Okay, go
There's
next.
another eye.
The other eye. Oh,
Nothing happened.
nothing happened.
No, do not drop.
Not, huh? You can see. Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
The
No.
other eye. The other eye. Look at.
Oh, open your eye, open your eye.
No, it's not bad. It's not shoot. Again.
Not done pa daw, not done. Guys, that is the examination for the lazy eye of my son. So, there have a part 2. You must needed to watch the part 2 also. And this is the part 1. It's probably the video is become long. So, that's why I separated to part 2. So, guys, thank you so much for being with me. And I hope I can help to those mom like me, so very worried about the lazy eyes of the kids. So this is it. This is the most important to do when your son or your daughter notice about the lazy eye. So thank you so much for being with me. And if you are new here on my channel, so please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video. And see you on part 2. Bye everyone. God bless you all.